Alright, we're working on a 1980 Malibu, but not just any Malibu. This has a complete 87 Buick Grand National drivetrain in it. We pulled the fuel pump to replace it with a little better one. This one here. It's a DW300. One of the problems with the car was the sending unit to the fuel pump was not showing the correct level. Actually, it was always empty. So when we pulled the tank out,
you have to be known to recognize this. Yeah.
Come over here to the pump sending unit. What we did was we unbolted this here. What is that, a T10 Torx or something similar? Yeah.
Yeah.
And we actually got an ohm meter.
Variable resistor.
And it's a variable resistor. But as you can see, right there, there's a break in it. But the way we tested it is we put the prongs here on either side of that resistor, and when we moved it up to past that point right there, that point showed that it lost resistance, and as you can see, it's a break in that resistor. So that's why the sending unit doesn't show the correct fuel level in the fuel tank. So we ordered another one, and that'll be going back in tomorrow along with this new pump. Happy motoring.